Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.